Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DCTV USA. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at the headlines. Qasim and Suleiman hit by major blow before Pakistan visit. Key documents missing. Is Imran Khan's deal finalized? Saudi Arabia or Europe? Will Trump extract oils from Pakistan or exploit Pakistanis? Ataullah Tarar faces uproar in assembly over speech on Nawaz Sharif's mother and May 9 event. Actions against sugar mills bring relief, price drop, good news arrives. Texas Democratic lawmakers skip sessions to block GOP agenda. And Tesla grants Elon Musk $29 billion in shares to secure leaderships amid strategic shift. These are headlines, lead to news detail. Viewers, now the top story is here. Just ahead of their return to Pakistan, Qasim and Suleiman, sons of Imran Khan, face a serious setback as important personal documents have gone missing. Conflicting statements from Imran Khan and Alima Khan about the matter have sparked confusion and speculation, raising questions about internal coordinations and possible legal complication. Viewers, now speculation is rising over a possible deal involving Imran Khan, with rumors suggesting he may head to Saudi Arabia or Europe. When questioned by a journalist, PMLN leader Uzma Bukhari gave a cryptic response saying, "Time will reveal everything." Her vague reply has only intensified the mystery surrounding the situation.
आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, आगे ले जाने के लिए ये जो इस फितना फसाद पार्टी नाम की रुकावट है, क्या इससे जान छुड़ाए बगैर पाकिस्तान को आगे ले जाया जा सकता है?
ये बताइएगा, अली अमीन गड्ढा बोर्ड रियासत मुखालिफ बयानात इंडिया उसको उठा के फैटअप में लेके जा रहा है, तो इस हवाले से जो है वो क्यों नहीं कुछ किया जा रहा कि आप जो है वो फैटअप पहले ग्रे लिस्ट में रहे, उसके बाद जो है वो बड़ी मुश्किल से बाहर आए, अब फिर एक दफा इंडिया उसको लेके जा रहा है, तो अली अमीन गड्ढा
ले जा नहीं रहा, ले जा चुका है और उन्होंने उसका स्टेटमेंट जो है वो एज ए सबूत जमा कराया है फैटअप के अंदर। इससे बड़ी मुल्क दुश्मनी, देखिए मुल्क दुश्मनी की इनकी एक लंबी लाइन है।
Now, Uzma Bukhari's shocking reply to journalists during a press briefing. Journalists asked whether Donald Trump's new foreign policy aimed to extract oil from Pakistan or take advantage of its people. PMLN leader Uzma Bukhari gave a startling response, saying Trump takes what he wants with or without permission. Her bold comment quickly went viral on social media.
मेरा ख्याल है कि आपको जो है इसके ऊपर इतनी गुस्सा और डिप्रेशन की बजाय खुश होना चाहिए था कि अगर ये ऐसी कोई रिसर्च या ऐसी कोई मालूमात हैं कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर तेल के कोई ज़खायर मौजूद हैं, तो हमें उनको ज़खायर को जो है वो ज़रूर, बिकॉज ये पाकिस्तान के लिए गेम चेंजर होगा। और सबसे ज़्यादा एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी यकीनन अमेरिका के पास ही मौजूद है जो इसके ऊपर हमें हेल्प कर सकते हैं।
Viewers, now during a heated assembly sessions, Ataullah Tarar relieved that after Nawaz Sharif's mother's pass away, a judge denied permissions to attend a funeral, sitting order from above. As he addressed the May 9 event, saying it must be faced, opposition's member erupted in loud protest, disrupting his speech with slogans and shouting.
हमने जज साहब को रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आपका जो कैदी है, इसकी वालदा की मैयत घर पड़ी है, अगर आज आप इजाजत दे दें तो ये आज की प्रोसीडिंग्स को एडजर्न कर दिया जाए। उन्होंने कहा मुझे ऊपर से हुक्म नहीं है, और इमरान खान साहब हर लम्हे की अपडेट लेते।
Now the government has launched a crackdown on sugar mills involved in hoarding and price manipulations. As a result, sugar prices have started to decline, bringing much needed relief to consumer. Official promises continue monitoring to stabilize the market. Watch this video for full details and reactions from industry's experts and citizens.
बिक रही है और 170 में होलसेल में बिक रही है और 180 के करीब रिटेल में बिक रही है। मैं यही कहूँगा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान से कि रिटेल बेस पे इसमें 176 रुपये कर दिया जाए ताकि आवाम को आसानी से रिटेल कंज्यूमर को चीनी मिल जाए। देखिए 5 लाख टन माहाना खपत है हमारी और 16 लाख टन के करीब हमारे पास ज़खायर हैं, तो मैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान से यही कहूँगा इम्पोर्ट ना की जाए। हमारे पास वाफिर मिकदार में चीनी है और नवंबर में स्टार्ट हो जाए।
Now, several Texas Democratic lawmakers have boycotted the state legislatures to prevent a quorum, effectively halting a special sessions called by Republicans. The move aims to block controversial legislation, including new voting laws. Their absence has stalled proceeding and intensified partisan tensions over governance and voting rights in the state.
Destroy fairness in our country, and unfortunately, they're starting with Texas. But we want you to know we stand by your side. I don't want to lose my fabulous colleagues. Some of them are here with me. Jasmine Crockett, my classmate, Mark Veazey, Al Green, Julie Johnson. We want all of them to stay, plus the others that they're trying to gerrymander. So with that, I want to give a minute to my colleague from Illinois, Congressman Roberts.
Viewers, in the last, Tesla has awarded CEO Elon Musk approximately $29 billion in shares under a new pay package designed to retain him during a critical transition. As the company shifts focus from its struggling automotive segment to emerging ventures like robotics and humanoid robots, Musk dealerships are seen as essential to future success.
Tesla has granted new shares worth about $29 billion to CEO Elon Musk. The move aims to keep the billionaire in charge while he fights a court ruling that voided his original pay deal. A Delaware court stopped Musk's 2018 compensation package last year, which was valued at more than $50 billion. It said the Tesla board's approval process was flawed and unfair to shareholders. Musk kicked off an appeal in March against the order. He claimed
So viewers, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. This is me, Dabinder, signing off. Stay tuned for more news, DCTV USA, DTVNN and our OTT platform DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.